You know they move at all.
You know they move. Oh. Here is the road because of the water where the Obos away. As you can see now, many vehicles park because of the water that block the major road that people supposed to apply. As you can see now, the road is jam. Nobody is moving. Everybody have blocked the road. There is no road for people to pass. But the rain have stopped right now. But people are trying to find a way to leave the area. As you can see now, here's the major road that leads to Obosowe Road. As you can see, here is Umaji Ota. Yeah. Here is Obogologo. Thank you very much. Governor, please try to attend to us. We need your help. Obosowe need drainage. There is no drainage in Obosowe Road. That is why people are suffering to find their way to move out. Thank you, my dear Governor. Master Road Construction.